Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create a block. So let's start with this tutorial. Now creating a block is when you are drawing a particular item and you have drawn the different parts of that item and you want to combine the whole thing into a single object, then you can use this block command. Suppose if you are drawing a furniture and you have drawn the different parts of that furniture and then you want to combine all the parts and make it a single object, then this block command is very useful. We'll see how to use this block command. We'll take an example of a door opening. We'll show the cross section of this door opening. For that we'll take line command. We'll draw the frame first. Take the dimension as 75, 50, 25, 50, 50, then again 50 and close this. Now this is the one part of the frame. I want the similar part at the opposite side. So first we will take a line of reference here. A door opening is of 800, so we'll take a line of 800. Now I'll mirror this object to the other end. For that we'll take mirror command. Select this object. Take this midpoint as the reference point and enter. Now I am having this frame. Now I'll draw the door shutter. For that we'll take rectangle command. Click at this point. Take dimension. Dimension I'll give 25 by 700. Enter. Now this is our door shutter. Now next we'll have to show the opening direction. For that we'll take arc, we'll take start center end method, click here as the start point, click here as the center point and here as the end point. We'll change the type of this line, we'll make it dotted. Now if you select on these items, if you click on these objects, then you'll see all these objects are having different identities. To convert it into a single object, we'll give block command, type block, say enter. Now you'll see this dialog box. Now here you'll have to provide the name for this block. I'll give D1. Now click on this select object. Select this all the objects or all the parts that you want to convert and say enter. Now click on this convert to block and say OK. Now this block has been opened in block editor. If you want to do any changes to your drawing, then you can do it here. I want to trim this line, so I'll give trim command and trim this line and say OK. Now once your object is done, click on save block and close this block editor. Now if you click on this, you will see this is the single object. This has become a single object. So hope you all have understood how to create a block. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.